show you how we can use a new feature flash fill to work with strings. As you can see, we will work with the sheet which is shown here. And firstly, I want to ask you to subscribe my channel to make a lot of likes. Let's start. Firstly, I want to show you one of examples. We will work with the strings in column A. As you see, column A has a lot of ID numbers, and the numbers concluded letters and numbers. And to get only numbers from this string, we must put inside in our B column only two first cells. For B3, we need to put only numbers 30, 0, 1, 2, 3. Secondly, in the second cell, we put 30, 0, 1, 2, 4. After that, we're going to drag it down to the end of our list, and as you see, we got fill series, but this is not our numbers inside our cells. For this decision, as I said at the start of our lesson, we need to use flash fill. We go into our fifth option and click on flash fill, and as you see, inside B column we got only numbers from our string. The same exercise we can make with our letters, but I want to make our lesson shorter. I'm going to the second example, how we can use a flash fill. Flash fill for working with long names, with full names. As you see in our column C, we have student full name, we have name and surname or last name, and using flash fill, this feature, I will got for the column D only names, and for the column E surnames. Let's start. Firstly, we need to put inside our first cell first name of the student, in the second name of the student, and after finishing only two cells, we're going to drag it down and going to our flash fill option, and as you see, we got only names in our cells. For the same example, for the same decision to get our surnames or last names, we make the same job. Ferry and Downs, this is the second last name of our student, and after finishing, we're dragging it down, going to our option flash fill, and we finish our working in a few seconds. For our lesson today, I will finish. Thank you for the watching. Subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.